Hello students, the problem is solve by using z transforms y of n plus 2 minus 4 times yn is equal to 0 given that y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1. So this is one of the important question. So here what change I can say that instead of using u of n plus 2 and un, they have taken y symbol. So remaining procedure is same. Instead of proceeding in terms of u, will proceed in terms of y here. So solution, just concentrate. So solution, so given equation is what here, y of n plus 2 minus 4 times yn equal to 0, and they have given the condition also. Condition is what here, y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1. Fine. So now take z transform on both sides for this entire thing. So on taking z transform, on taking z transform on both sides, what happens here, z transform of y of n plus 2 minus 4 times z transform of yn equal to z transform of 0. So we know that z transform of un plus 2 is nothing but z square into u dash of z minus u naught minus u1 into z raised to minus 1, and z transform of un is nothing but u dash of z. These two results I want to apply in terms of y. Instead of using, see, un is there, instead of u we have y, so that is a change we need to apply. So therefore the above situation, z transform of y of n plus 2, instead of y we instead of z transform u of n plus 2, what we have, z square u dash of z minus u naught minus u1. So here y is there, so instead of u will use y in this expression. So therefore it will become z of y n plus 2 is nothing but what here, z square into, instead of y, u dash of z, it will become what here, y dash of z minus y naught minus y1 of z raised to minus 1. Hope you understood. Minus 4 times z of yn, so z of un is u dash of z, z of yn will become what here, so 4 as it is, z of yn will be y dash of z equal to z transform of 0 is 0. So once we got, so here in the question they have given condition, by condition or by condition, what are the condition, y0 is 0 and y1 is 1, will apply y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1 in the above expression. So therefore by condition, z square of y dash of z as it is minus y0 is 0, apply 0, minus y1 is 1, so 1 into z inverse z raised to minus 1 is z raised to minus 1, minus 4 times y dash of z equal to 0. So once we got this step, we need to simplify, z square into y dash of z, z square into y dash of z, so z square into 0 is 0, leave it, plus into minus is minus, so z square into z raised to minus 1 minus 4 y dash of z equal to 0, or on simplification, z square y dash of z minus z square into z raised to minus 1, bases are same, add the powers, plus 2 and minus 1 will become plus 1, so z raised to 1 minus 4 y dash of z equal to 0. So which is nothing but, so first and last we have common y dash of z, so it will become z square minus 4 into y dash of z is common, minus z raised to 1 is nothing but z equal to 0, or this z minus z you shift to the right hand side, so z square minus 4 into y dash of z is equal to z. cross multiply the z minus 4 to the right hand side. So y dash of z is equal to z divided by z square minus 4, or this is z divided z square minus 4 can be written as what here, z square minus 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square, or I can say that finally y dash of z is equal to z divided by a square minus b square form. It is nothing but z minus 2 into z plus 2. So we got this expression now. So this expression we need to simplify. So we'll continue. So take this z to the left hand side. So if you cross multiply to the left hand side, it will become in a denominator. So that step is, that is y dash of z divided by z is equal to 1 divided by z minus 2 into z minus z plus 2. So right hand side will simplify now by using partial fraction. 1 upon z minus 2 z plus 2 we need to simplify, which can be written as a divided by z minus 2 plus b divided by z plus 2. So on simplification we'll get the equation as a is equal 1 is equal to a into z plus 2 plus b into z minus 2. So we'll get the values of a and b here. So put z is equal to minus 2. If you put z is equal to minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 0. So therefore 1 is equal to 0 plus b into minus 2 minus 2. So therefore 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 into b is what here? Minus 4b. So therefore the value of b will be minus 1 upon 4. Minus 1 upon 4. The value of b. Similarly, so when if you put z is equal to plus 2, you put z is equal to plus 2, so we'll get 1 is equal to a into 2 plus 2 plus b. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into b is 0 here. So therefore 1 is equal to 4a. So therefore a is equal to 1 by 4. So we got a value, we got b value. These value we need to apply in the above situation. That above situation is what here? Y dash of z divided by z is equal to a divided by, that is a value is 1 by 4 divided by z minus 2 plus b value is what here? Minus 1 by 4 divided by z plus 2. So which is nothing but y dash of z divided by z is equal to 1 by 4 times 1 divided by z minus 2 plus into minus is minus 1 by 4 into 1 divided by z plus 2. So cross multiply this z to the right hand side. So therefore y dash of z is equal to 1 by 4 is a constant for both the terms. I will take outside. So it is z divided by z minus 2 minus z divided by z plus 2. So on taking z inverse on both sides, so z inverse of y dash of z is equal to 1 by 4 is a constant. Z inverse of z divided by z minus 2 minus z inverse of z divided by, so z plus 2 I will write it as z minus of minus 2. So to apply the formula it will be easy. So we know the formula. That formula is what here? Z inverse of z divided by z minus k will be what here? Z divided by z divided by z minus k will be what here? K raised to n. So that formula will apply here. So the formula is, if you apply this formula, so above situation z inverse of y dash of z is nothing but yn is equal to 1 by 4 times So if you apply, it will become 2 raised to n minus 2 raised to n. Okay, so or else if you apply this 4 to the if you multiply, it will become out here 2 raised to 2 divided by, it will become, if you multiply this 1 by 4 for both the terms, it will become divided by 4 divided by 4. 4 can be written as 2 square, so that if that goes up, it will become 2 raised to n minus 2. Okay, minus 2 raised to n divided by 2 raised to 2. This can also be simplified. You can take plus plus sign here and minus sign here, so you can write this one as what here, minus 2 raised to n minus 2 also, or else you can stop it here also. So in this way we need to simplify the problems when they have given the values of what here, y0 and y1, that is nothing but initial conditions. In this way we need to simplify the application of Z transform.